Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Deska. In case you're new, please don't forget to subscribe. So again, I'll be doing a weekly market breakdown and I'll be analyzing three pairs. I'll be analyzing AUD CAD, AUD NZD, and Euro CHF. So I start with AUD NZD. So as you know, we always start from a bigger time frame, that is daily time frame. So I switch to daily time frame to get out for the breakdown and to see the overall direction of the market. So as you can see right now, the market is dropping. And as you can see, the market is dropping, but we are maybe now we'll understand better when we drop for or when we get up for our playground. So when you look left, you'll notice, okay, the reason why the market turned from this level is because from here there was this resistance level. So the market hit this resistance level, formed these rejections, and it's now been dropping. So again, we have another strong level of support over here. So maybe tomorrow or this coming week we'll experience some reversals from here, or maybe the market might also break. Should the market break, we will wait for another reversal of this level, because these zones are very strong. So the market might reverse from the zones. The market must, it is a must, the market will react from these zones. I can also spot a trend from here to here. We have this resisting trend line, and also from here, from here to here, you can also see, I can also spot that supporting trend line. So as you can see, the market has been trading within the channel, but finally the market broke out of the channel. So let's go on 4-hour time frame. So on 4-hour time frame, what you can see is now this is where we'll be expecting high entries. So the probability is high. Maybe the market will hit this support level and then reverse from here all the way to the upside. So we will only be waiting to see significant pin bars, or maybe doji, or maybe some patterns like a double bottom. As you can see, the market formed this double bottom before reversing. Also, when you go to 1-hour time frame, you'll be able to spot these patterns. For example, you can see the market formed double top here before dropping, double top, double bottom. Like you can see now, the market has been respecting double tops and double bottoms. That's why I am anticipating maybe a double bottom from this zone before the market dropping. Also, that is the probability. We also have a possibility that the market can maybe break the zone, retest, then we are gonna sell all the way to the downside up to this level, because this is the other strong level that we have. And guys, remember, we always have this is a game of probabilities. Forex is a game of probabilities, and we have a high probability, we have a low probability, and we have medium probabilities. So for example, now the high probabilities, the reversals that are going to happen or to occur from these zones, these 4 zones or daily zones, because they are very strong support and resistance zones, and also the patterns. So when you have several confirmations, that means you have an edge to the market and it is a high probability setup. So we are only going to trade a high probability setup. So this is why I didn't give this trend, because if you check from this level, also last week when that minor zone, which the market broke, came back to test and then started dropping, but you still can see it is not very strong. So I always wait the market to these strong zones, because I know this is where reversals mostly take place. So those are the two possibilities that can happen on this pair. Let's check the next pair, which is AUD card. So AUD card also looks nice. So let's go to a daily time frame to see the overall direction, and also to draw or to check our playground. So yes, guys, you can see the reason why the market reversed from here is when you look left, you notice, okay, fine, this was a type of resistance of which it was respected the first time and the second time. Yeah, it was respected several times. Maybe the market came in respect the third time. So we also have this mid-root support and resistance, which was from this level. So final market, we expected the market to respect this level and start buying. But what happened is the market broke out, came back to retest, formed the head and shoulders. That way the market has been selling. But the market will not sell forever. So at some time, the market will breathe, the market will also start buying because the market always buy, even if it's a small buy, but the market might buy. So where are we expecting these buys? It is from this zone because when you first look left, you'll notice, okay, fine, this is a very strong level of support because the market is expecting the first time, the second time, and several times. So what we're expecting is maybe the market will drop up to this level before reversing. But should the market break the level, should the market break this zone, should the market break this zone, retest, then we will sell maybe up to this level because also there's another strong level of support over here. So guys, I always draw my zones where there are more touches, where the market has reversed severally. For example, you can see the market reversed from this the first time, second time, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, so several times. So basically this is my background on daily time frame, so going to 4 hour time frame so that we can go and check the trends in trend every. So on 4 hour time frame you can spot now the market is on a strong it's on a strong downtrend and it's forming a clean trend. As you can see, the market is forming higher lows and lower lows. So the market has already created a new trend. So the first touch, second, third touch, of which there was some more fake breakout of here. So also you can see from here this a very strong level of support of which now the market broke this level of support. And don't forget, we said on daily time frame we're expecting some reversals from here. So these are the scenarios, the possibilities that can happen. Maybe the market will drop up to this level of support, form a double bottom. Sorry, maybe the market will give us a double bottom or significant pin bars, dodges, reversal candlesticks on 4 hour time frame, but guys, not 1 hour time frame. I'm talking about 4 hour time frame. Then we'll buy. That's the first scenario. Let me move these ones because I don't want my charts to look messy. So guys, this is the first scenario. So the second scenario we have is the market can retest. Maybe when the market opens tomorrow, it will retest to this level, maybe form a fake breakout, come back to retest this trend line and drop. So that's another scenario. So the third scenario is the market might as well break the zone. Remember, we said if the market break the zone, it should also break the resistance. Understand? So to confirm it's a true breakout, it must break this trend line as well, and maybe come back retest, give us the inverted head and shoulder, then buy up to this level. Because of the inverted head and shoulder, we have the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder. So we have 3 scenarios. So I'm giving you all the possibilities because I don't want you guys to have the fixed mindset. So the market can break either way. You can buy it, you can sell at the same time. So you just have to get up all your possibilities and wait to see how the market play out. Now the last pair is Euro CHF. So Euro CHF, it doesn't look very nice, but guys, it's nice. So starting from the daily time frame, let me show you what's happening on daily time frame. So catering for our playground is, as you can see, from here to here, we have a trend. From here to here, we have a trend. And think also from here to here, there's a trend. So I chose this because this is where there is more touches. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, several touches. And also from here, if you look left, you notice, okay, from here, from here, there's a very strong zone. So we expect maybe on this week the market will retest, then drop, give us the head and shoulders before drop. But because also this is a very strong zone, so the market can reverse from there. So should the market reverse from there, we will be expecting maybe a reversals from this zone, because now this is the next important level of support. So let's go to 4-hour time frame to see some other possibilities. So going to a 4-hour time frame, this is a very strong level of resistance. So we'll be waiting to check what happens, what will happen from that level. So if I also remove this, let me adjust this a bit. So the market is creating a new trend from here to here, you can see. So we have also these touches, one, two, three, and also we are anticipating the fourth touch of it over here. So this trade, it has the highest possibility, guys. So from here to here, so we're expecting to sell from here. Reason being, this conference, we have this resistance trend line and we have this horizontal zone. So we are expecting reversals from there. And also, guys, there's so many confirmations, because from here to here, you can also see another channel that is being created. Also, don't forget, this is a very important level of support. Maybe market might fail to reach this because of this one. So let's at least know we are anticipating the drop up to this level. But also, don't forget, we don't control the market, we just predict the market side. Market can also break, retest, and then buy. So should the market break out and retest, we will also buy, because we have given us the inverted head and shoulder. So if you really know how to check the pattern, this will be the left shoulder, the hand, now the right shoulder, then we can buy at least up to this level, because this is where there is another resistance zone. But also, I think we also have buying opportunities. Let's go to 1-hour time frame, because sometimes I always go to lower time frames like 1-hour time frames to see what's happening, because I understand we also have, for day traders, we also have the trading trend. So guys, this is 1-hour time frame. So if you look left, you notice, okay, fine, this was an important level. And now this was an, let me remove these ones for now. These arrows, you've already understood some other bias. So I want to show you some other bias. So this was a very important, this was an important level for which finally the market broke. The market broke this level. And yeah, sure. Maybe now the market can also come back to the test before buy. So should the market also retest this level, we are gonna buy, because we have it in mind, it's also creating a new trend. So this market has created a new uptrend. Maybe it will buy a bit, or maybe it might reverse from there. We don't know. But what we know is the market has created a new uptrend. So we wait. The market maybe will buy a little bit more, or maybe it can also reverse from there, then we test, we buy. So it will depend. Let's watch. So that's another scenario, because the market has created a new channel or a new trend. This is for day traders. Or it can also, upon retest, the market might also decide, okay, you know what, I break. So the market break, maybe retest, it will give us a head and shoulder. Then after formation of the head and shoulder, we'll expect a drop up to this level, or maybe up to this minor levels. This is now for the traders, because you can see these are medium probabilities. So these are what we call medium probabilities, because these zones are not very strong. But also the market can reverse from here. They are not strong, but market can reverse from the levels. These are for the traders, not swing traders. So guys, that's what I will be expecting on those pairs this week. So I hope you enjoyed, you learned. Make sure you subscribe if you're not subscribed. And in case you have a question, kindly ask on the comment section. Otherwise, thank you guys. Deska, your mentor, signing out.